Hi yours. Today we are going to discuss basic proportionality theorem or Thayer's theorem. This is very important for 10th class state board students as well as ICSE board students also. So the theorem is the statement of this theorem: a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle will divide other two sides in the same ratio. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle will divide other two sides in the same ratio. Okay. First of all, we should take a triangle A, B, C. A, B, C. This is a triangle. Let us consider BC as one side. We have to draw a line which is parallel to BC. How many chances are there? This is one chance. This is also one chance. This is one chance. And this is one chance. So these all are parallel to BC. This one and this one, this one and this one. So here do not intersect anywhere to two sides. It is coincident with that side. This is passing through the vertex of the triangle. So now we consider this one. Okay, clear? See. This is a line L, cuts AB at D, AC at E, and parallel to BC. What we have to prove? It divides AB in the two parts, AD and DB. This ratio is AD by DB. And divides AC in the two parts, AE and EC. This ratio is AE by EC. We have to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That is the theorem. So first we write given. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC and intersects AB at D, AC at E. What is required to prove? RTP means required to prove. What we have to prove? It divides other two sides in the same ratio. The ratio is AD by DB, AE by EC we have. Now, to prove the theorem, we need some further constructions. Riders are also important. So what I am doing here, join BE and CD and draw DF and EG perpendiculars. So construction, draw DF perpendicular to AC, EG perpendicular to AB, and join BC. So now let's start proof. Before going to proof, we use some formulas and small theorem. See that. Already we know area of a triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. Draw perpendicular from A to BC. It is perpendicular. Let it be AD. Area of this triangle is of base into height. Base means BC. Height means AD. Base into height. So sometimes it is general triangle. Suppose it is a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is the base and this is the height. Suppose ABC, right angle at B. Then what? Of BC into AB. Suppose if you take a obtuse angle triangle, see this. BCA. If you consider BC as base B, the perpendicular from A to BC is like this. Produced CB. This is the perpendicular height. So here also of BH area. So this is very, very important. In obtuse angle triangle, the altitude is lie outside the triangle. Please keep it in your mind. And moreover, what tools we are used in this proof I am explaining to you. See, these are two lines which are parallel. This is a triangle A, B, C. And one more triangle I am taking, PBC. Both are having same base BC and between the same parallel lines. So the perpendicular from A to BC is H. If you draw a perpendicular from P to BC is also H only, because distance between parallel lines is always same. So BC as B. What is the area of triangle ABC? Of base B, height H. In the same way, what is the area of PBC? Of what is the base B? H. So both are same. So then we conclude that the triangles which are on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. This is very, very important. So keep it in your mind. So now we are going to prove the theorem. See. From the figure, area of triangle ADE I am taking. ADE. This is ADE. Taking base as AD. Altitude is EG. So of base AD into EG. Next I am taking area of triangle BED. That is equal to taking DB as base. See that this is D, this is B, this is E. The altitude drawn to BD is nothing but EG. Observe that it is an obtuse angle. The altitude lie outside. So what is the area of this triangle? BED. Observe that of what is base? Base we treat as BD. That means DB. What is the height from E to DB? EG. Agree? Now area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BED I am taking. See what happened. 1/2 AD into EG, 1/2 DB into EG. So here EG 1/2 EG getting cancelled. AD by DB we obtain. That it be 1. What we consider here, upper triangle ADE and the triangle BED, their ratio is AD by DB. Area means a real number. So this is a number. Please can consider. AD by BED. In the same way, similarly, if you take area of triangle ADE, upper triangle, by area of triangle, one more triangle, this one more triangle, this triangle I am taking, the red color line, this one. See, that is what? Area of triangle CDE is equal to what will happen? AE by EC. AE by EC. Agree? If area of ADE by BED is AD by DB, area of ADE by CED is AE by EC. Here the base, here the base. So what we have to prove? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We have to prove. Arctic already we know that. But here what? AD by DB obtained, AE by EC obtained. We have to equate these two. Observe that in this numerator it is area of triangle ADE, numerator this is also ADE. But denominator it is BED and denominator it is CED. Now we have to compare these two. Observe that BED, this is a triangle, and CED, this is a triangle. Both are between same two parallel lines and having same base D. Here triangle BED and triangle CED are on the same base, D, and between the same parallel lines, that is what? DE parallel to BC. Therefore, area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle CED. This is 3. From 1, 2 and 3, area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle ADE, okay? By area of triangle BED, in place of BED I am writing area of triangle CED, agree? So both are equal or not? What is ADE from 1? AD by DB. What is AD by CED from 2? AE by. So hence proved. So then what we conclude that is any line parallel to one side of a triangle will divide other two sides in the same ratio. This is the basic proportionality theorem. Are you able to understand? What tools are used here? Area of a triangle formula and the triangles which are on the same base between the same parallels are equal in area. These are we are using to prove this theorem. This is very, very important theorem for public going people, those who are going to 10th class public examinations, both state or ICSE, CBSE, whatever it is. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to discuss one more problem, one more theorem. Okay. Bye.